What's up, y'all? Yep, we're on rainy day schedule today in California. I'm gonna get on the little rat rod a little bit though. Jack this thing up, put it on some jack stands. See if I can remember where the trolling arm was broke on it or what side it was. I know it's broke for sure. Just gotta figure out what side it was broke on. So that's what we're gonna do today, y'all. We're gonna put this old ugly duckling up on some jack stands and get up under it. See what we got to weld up. Put in the old Harbor Freight welder to work. Show y'all how that thing works. Harbor Freight, tap in. You already know. Been with you for many years. Hey, possibly jigs too. Hit a brother up. We accept Husky. Come on, we need them sponsors, y'all. We playing over here on our smart channels, man. You know our smart channels need to come up too. Maybe DeWalt. Man, come on. Napa? Come on, y'all. Tap in. Tap in. But yeah, back to the project at hand. So, I'm going to jack this thing up. Put it up on some jack stands real quick for y'all. Let's see the best place to set y'all real quick. Let's get it jacked up. Then we'll go from there. You see Harbor Freight, what I'm using. Don't slack on you, boy. When I become real famous, I have to forget about y'all too. I'm just messing around, man. But I do need a sponsor though, y'all. All sponsorship, donations, everything helps out on Classic Car Guy channel. I'm trying to get this thing, man. I'm trying to hit at least that little 50, 60, hell, 1 million subscribers in 1 year. Nah. I'm happy with whoever subscribes, y'all. Whoever watch my little BS channel all the time. Thank you guys very much too. Man, I forgot this sucker's just as ugly it is on the bottom as it is the top. Alright. Let's see where we want to set these puppies up. Y'all know you gotta stay with that safety, y'all. Don't never be messing around underneath no car unless you got a couple jack stands or a couple jacks or something under there, man. If you ain't got no jack stands, put some tires underneath it. I've done it many times, believe me. There's no shame in my game, man. Use what you got. Run what you can run. For real, y'all. Safety's key, man. You're trying to see your family. You keep an arm relayed. Got the back ones, y'all. You know, I'm gonna have to try to go hunt down some jack stands for the front. Got them little things on there. Jeez, see? You know what we using to jack our vehicles up over here. Harbor Freight jack. Nothing but the best. Let's see. Let y'all take a little gander under here. Trip on some weird suspension. Something you guys ain't never seen before. Well, you OGs will know what I'm talking about and what you're seeing. Well, you see that? Cross beam. Y'all ain't never seen no cross beam. See that leaf spring? You know, I never figured out what kind of rear end was in this thing. I know she'll lock up posi sometimes, and sometimes she won't. Let's see what we broke. What's this trailing on? That one look like it's in. Oh, I see what. All right, we back on. You know them phone calls be shutting off your. Oh, let's see what we got. Where was it busted at? Oh, I see right there, y'all. Dang, y'all can't even see it, man. I cut on the light on this thing. Where's the dang light? Oh, maybe I got cut it on before I start the camera. You see, My little janky welds. Last time I tried to put a little plate on here, it snapped again. You see it bent. That's not gonna be an easy one to it might be an easy one to refab up. I think I might got something for it. Or I might just weld that one up. Trippy underneath there, huh, y'all? Check this sucker out. Man, that drive one's sitting funny. Okay. What y'all know about the Z frame? Also got water on my camera or something, y'all. Let's wipe you down real quick. There we go. Now look a little better. Alright. Now I'm gonna have to hunt down some damn jack stands for the front. I really don't need them because I'm just gonna do that rear end. I think I'm just gonna leave them like that. This shit's been raining here. I think it started about 3 o'clock last night. It ain't stopped, y'all. It has not stopped. I wonder if the suckers... I have some I took off one of my old Novas, I think. Let me see. Some old homemade ones. Where they at? Oh, here we go, right here. See, that's why you guys keep all your junk stuff, man. Everybody talking about why you keep so much stuff. These are the reasons I keep stuff like this. Maybe we'll try to fab these up on it. Check them out. Them suckers are so damn heavy. If y'all can see, I might be able to. Yeah, this might be a lot better than what's on there. If I put this though, I might have to make these are gonna be the trolling. I bet you these are stronger than what's up under there. I don't know. Maybe I can cut the perches off of this one right here. Then I could use the box on this one. Oh man. So I was thinking about just cut it off right here. All the way around. And I could weld this. Maybe I'll just cut the ears off of it. Because these is way too long to go to the front. We'll take another look at that sucker again. See if those are even possible to use those. I don't know, these suckers are pretty long. There's some homemade boogies too. I might just have to see if I can see. I ain't even tripped. These suckers ain't even. They're straight welded to the rear end. How would I do that? I think I am gonna have to drop this whole rear end out just to fix that one bent trolling arm over there. Y'all can see it's twisted up. You see that little bend in it right there? Yeah. And then right there is where it broke. What y'all think, man? Any ideas? Build up some new trolling arms, get rid of this BS. This old 1940s stuff under there. I need your help on this one, y'all. See what you guys think, man. Cause that stuff, man, just got to go. That stuff for damn birds. No, let me know, you guys, what y'all think. Y'all probably never ever seen no suspension like that. That shit is crazy looking, huh? Get off in there. Historical vehicle. Let me know what you guys think, man. Drop the rear end and figure it out, or what? Or just get under there, heat that one up, bend it back as straight as I can, build some plates on the side of it and on the top, and roll with it. Let me know. Let me know. Be greatly appreciated. Drop a comment and tell me what you think, what I should do, which direction I should go with it. Alright, y'all. I shall be back. I'm going to snatch up that little fuel pump. Give me a hot battery. See if we can't get this old girl fired up today for y'all. Well, for me too. Check back in. Like I said, Harbor Freight. Young man needs a sponsor. You see, I'll be using all your stuff. I'll be playing or slacking for some big boys. Lincoln or somebody comes, hits me up. Alright, thank you guys very much. Stay alert, stay alive. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.